Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Today is a fourth day of my flag of the world. Today we are going to do Nigeria. I'm going to show you the flag. Nigeria is bold everything, bold makeup, bold hair, bold people, and Nigeria is located in the west of Africa. And this is the look I came up with. This is the flag here. I am so happy. This has been one of my most exciting looks that I've done so far actually, and I really love this look. So guys, what do you think of this look? Do you like this look? Anyway, if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and can be a part of my YouTube family. We're gonna start with my eye. I've already done my eyebrow, so we're gonna start with the eyeshadow. And yep, there it is. Ooh, never it's got on my face. For the transition shade, again, we are going to go for this Jaclyn Hill Ring the Bell. Oh, it's not Ring the Bell, it's Ring the Alarm, because this has some beautiful shades in there. And we are going to be using this brush. I love this brush so much. Real Technique 305, and it is beautiful. I forgot to tell you what shade we are going for. Brush as for. We're gonna go for Framed to put in the crease. That's gonna go right there in the crease. And again, I'm going to apply the same on the other side. I'm going to leave it like that, and now we are going to cut the crease. I just filmed a video before this one, so all my brushes are really dirty, but it don't matter, we're still going to do it. It's the Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser Concealer, and it's in the color Fair. 03 Fair. We are going to cut the crease. Right, let's try and do it quickly. Guys, this is finished. Look at that. I think you can tell I've used it up really well. It's all finished, it's all gone. I don't know what I'm going to do. I might have to use one of my other concealers actually, pop as well. So I'm going to use a little bit on this side before it finishes totally. There's nothing. Right, okay, let's see what we can do. Because I love it so much, I'm going to go to Boots tomorrow or Superdrug to get a new one. So now we are going to do the colors, and I'm going to show you the flag again, just to remind you, to refresh your memory and to refresh my memory as well. So this is the flag, how it looks like, so that's how we're going to be doing it. That is the perfect green. That is the perfect green from the Warrior 3 by Juvia's Place. And I don't think I have any white. Let me see if I have white. Yeah, we found white here. We're gonna go with this white. I'm hoping it's very pigmented because white is a very tricky color to work with. This palette here is very dirty, but yeah, sorry about that. So we're going to be using this white. The white is not very pigmented either because it's not sticking. We'll try this white here. It's actually got a bit of shimmer in there. It's from the Warrior 3. Oh. Eyeshadow, the powder, everything has been going in my eye. My eye is just burning at the moment. Sean's Beauty Stunner. I haven't used this eyelashes in a long time, so we're going to be using it today. So gorgeous. The lash is just so gorgeous. To make sure that they're all equal. I've got a lot of eyeshadow on my face. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Like, my face is full of, oh, can you see? My face is full of eyeshadow. I'm gonna have to wipe my face. No, my face is green. My face is green with full of eyeshadow, green and white. And my hand is green as well. Perfect. I'm going to be putting a little, just a little bit of primer where I sweat mostly. The foundation we're using today is the Estee Lauder 6W1. That's the one I always use, and I'm going to shake it first before I put it on my face. Because it doesn't have a pump, I normally put it at the back of my hand there. Put a couple. Yeah, it's quite a lot, isn't it? And then this is the brush I'm using. This brush is so good, so good. You're going to blend it in really nicely on the face. Make sure that it doesn't drip. I've put foundation all over the head wrap. Forehead, check. Okay, so now we are going to be going in with Fawn LA Pro Concealer as the highlighter under my eye. I'm going to go in with this big beauty blender to blend it really well. Now we're going to be doing the contouring with the foundation stick from L'Oreal Infallible, and it's in the color Espresso. My skin doesn't agree with so many things, so anything that works for me, I stick with it. So that's why I do not change my product a lot. Before I change my product, I have to test it out first and make sure that foundation brush here. I mean, it's broken into two, so I use it now to do my contouring, and it actually works perfectly. So there it is. You're gonna do it, blends really, really nice as well. I'm going to be setting the face with Sasha Buttercup. If you like this look, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Bye guys, see you soon.